Then, having witnessed Samantabhadra Bodhisattva's domain of experience, in which he demonstrated such masterful command of the spiritual superknowledges, Suddhana the youth's body and mind became suffused with joy and feelings of measureless rapture. He once again contemplated each part of Samantabhadra's body and saw that completely contained within each of his pores was the entire great Trichiliacosm, including all of its wind spheres, water spheres, earth spheres, and fire spheres, all of its great oceans and rivers, Jewel Mountains, Sumeru Mountains, and Iron Ring Mountains, all of its villages, towns, cities, palaces, parks, and gardens, all of its hells, hungry ghost realms, animal realms, and realms of King Yama, all of its devas, dragons, and the rest of the 8 classes of spiritual beings, and its humans and non-humans, all of the stations of existence within the desire realms, form realms, and formless realms, all of its suns, moons, stars, and constellations, all of its wind, clouds, thunder, and lightning, all of its periods of days, nights, months, years, and kalpas, and all of its instances of Buddhas appearing in the world together with their bodhisattva congregations and the adornments of their sites of enlightenment. He clearly saw all the phenomena such as these, and just as he observed them in this world, so too did he see them all in all world systems throughout the 10 directions. And just as he saw them throughout the world systems of the 10 directions as they appeared in the present era, so too did he see them in the same way in all the world systems in both the past and the future, with none of their distinguishing aspects ever being mixed up. Just as the powers of the spiritual superknowledges such as these were then revealed within this abode of Vairocana Tathagata, so too were such powers of the spiritual superknowledges also revealed in these same ways in the eastern regions Padmasri world system, in the abode of Bhadra Sri Buddha. And just as these circumstances were revealed in this way in the abode of Bhadra Sri Buddha, so too were they also revealed in all the world systems to the east. One should realize that, just as they were revealed in this way in regions to the east, so too were such manifestations of the power of the spiritual superknowledges all also revealed in the same way in the abodes of all Tathagatas in all world systems, in the south, the west, the north, the 4 midpoints, the zenith, and the nadir. And just as this was so in all world systems throughout the 10 directions, so too was this also so within each atom in all Buddha Kshetras throughout the 10 directions. In every case, there were the Dharma realms Buddhas and their congregations, in which, in the presence of each Buddha, Samantabhadra Bodhisattva sat on a lotus flower lion throne, manifesting the power of the spiritual superknowledges. Within each one of these bodies of Samantabhadra there appeared, as they existed in relation to all 3 periods of time, all spheres of experience, all Buddha Kshetras, all beings, the arising of all Buddhas, all the congregation of Bodhisattvas, the sounds of all beings' voices, the sounds of all Buddhas' voices, the turnings of the Dharma wheel as initiated by all Tathagatas, the practices perfected by all Bodhisattvas, and all Tathagatas' easeful mastery of the spiritual superknowledges. Having seen Samantabhadra Bodhisattva's countless uses of inconceivably great spiritual powers such as these, Suddhana the youth then immediately acquired 10 types of knowledge paramitas. What then are those 10? They are as follows. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, is ever able to everywhere pervade all Buddha Kshetras. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, is ever able to go forth and pay respects to all Buddhas. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, is ever able to make offerings to all Tathagatas. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, everywhere listens to the teaching of the Dharma in the presence of all Tathagatas, absorbs it and retains it. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, meditates on all Tathagatas' turnings of the Dharma wheel. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, knows the inconceivable great phenomena created by all Buddha's great spiritual superknowledges. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, may expound with inexhaustible eloquence on but one sentence of Dharma, doing so on to the very end of future time. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, contemplates all dharmas with profound prajna paramita. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, enters the ocean of the true character of the entire Dharma realm. The knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, knows the thoughts in the minds of all beings. And the knowledge paramita that, in each successive mind moment, causes the wise practices of Samantabhadra to become directly and presently manifest.